To download offline speech recognition Google Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On Screen Keyboard. Tap Gboard. Tap Voice Typing. Tap Offline Speech Recognition. Tap All. Select language you want to download. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.